AIPER S2 solar powered pool skimmer. On and off button there, giant solar panel here. You can charge this with a plug-in charger, but I don't see the reason for that because it's got a solar panel. Why wouldn't you just use that nice charger up in the sky? Okay, this is where, if you wanted to, this is where you get the power into it. You can see this is where the propellers are in the back. They are removable and cleanable. You have wheels here, so when it's gliding across, it's not banging or scrubbing or rubbing against your walls. It's got sensors here, which slows it down before it hits the wall, so it's not damaging the wall over time. It's got a big old basket here. This one is 4 liters, I believe. Very easy to clean. You can see all the stuff that it's gotten. Don't even know what that is. Bugs, leaves, all kinds of stuff. We'll put this back in here. And it has an app. In the app, you can drive it around, set up cleaning schedules, put it in eco mode, put it in continuous mode, all that stuff. These things are awesome. I'm a very big fan of AIPER, and this is gonna go back in my pool because I'm not gonna be skimming my pool manually.